Okay guys, it is Monday morning again. That seems to happen every week. Cleaned up a lot here and we're about ready to spend a bunch of time welding everything in where it needs to go. I started to sand down the doors. I got to do up here. I've still got to fix this piece right here. If you see, there is a little chunk cut out, so we'll fix that. And we also fixed this, the spare tire thing on the red Thunderbird because, well, I had it off when I was buffing and I put it down and I dropped a tool and it just basically gashed the paint, so we fixed it. All right guys, we're gonna get started today, so like and subscribe and we'll see you guys in a bit.